Hello guys, welcome to Technical Chart Analysis. So today we are discussing Nifty 50. Okay, so the market is about to fall. I will say we'll understand that why it's supposed to fall, and if it is fall, what could be the levels we should look after. Okay, so we are looking here monthly time frame. Okay, and we're not looking only by 2 years, 3 years record. We're literally looking from 2009. Okay, and I have some interesting finding which I like to share with you. So I was understanding like 15 years back market. Okay, on the perspective where we are. Okay, I was just looking the chart, and one thing it just clicked my mind. What if I do a pitchfork? Okay, because it was looking like that. So while doing pitchfork, I have taken care that like I did I created many pitchfork. Okay, so from couple of iteration I land up with this pitchfork, which is giving me very good like it's remarkable. It's proving many more events like why the market falls from the particular levels. Like it is predicting very well. So I'm just sticking with this. So while creating pitchfork, I have taken the particular trade line from here. Let me highlight here. Yeah, so I find this particular trade line. Okay, and one top and one bottom. Okay, so from here what I found is that this is a Nifty 50. This is the Indian index actually. Okay, if you have to see India's growth, we usually see the Nifty 50. Okay, so we found like this middle line, uh, this middle particular red line is continuous resistance. Okay, so from around 10 years, or we can say around 9 10 years, we are getting the particular resistance from from this red line. Okay, like somewhere around 1 November 20. Okay, so where the market falls, after that around 2015, where the market falls, it touches over there and it falls down. But there is one more thing, like we also found there is one kind of lower blue line. It's giving continuous support. Okay, yeah, I agree, it fails give support during COVID crisis. Okay, but if you see like 1 2 3 4 falls, it has given continuous support during the day. Okay, so this is one of the kind of interesting thing. So, and currently the particular index is falling when it made high around, let's call it around 15,000, around 400. Okay, from that it's continuously like getting the particular resistance. So from the particular candlestick, what I feel is that market will continue, the like bear will take control and market will fall. That's what I predict. Okay, or that's what I feel. uh, and definitely like the second wave we are getting introduced, couple of things are there. So because of that news and everything, there might be a lockdown. I wish there shouldn't be a lockdown. COVID has shouldn't be here. But guys, that's like the data are kind of indicating that particular things. I'm not saying it should have, but the data is showing that there there is some possibility that these thing will happen. Okay, so from that data point, what I feel that market will fall. So if market will fall, what are the levels we should look after? Okay, so like I identify 4 levels which market may sustain. Definitely, because may is very important word. We kind of know Brahma, that we will say that market will take it up to 13,000, from 13,000 it will make it to 16,000. It will not be like that, guys. It just a probability. Just from probability came from the data point, some technical chart analysis. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So let's discuss that what could be the levels. So before going to that, let's understand one Fibonacci which I draw. So this particular level is kind of, I feel, remarkable. Like it sustain, it helps during the COVID fall. This particular level, like 7,392. Okay, and definitely one more interesting thing is that over there as well, the blue line help us with the pitchfork blue line. The lower blue line helps over there actually. So from that market, it's continuously growing, and I feel that people will profit, and there is a COVID crisis as well. People will fear over there, and they will sell out. There will be sell out, and like if we see the Fibonacci, here is a 23.6 retracement. Okay, so what I feel is that currently the vaccination is going on. That's a positive thing. Okay, so so if everything is managed very carefully, okay, like COVID, obviously there will be COVID, but if you could able to manage the COVID quickly, then particularly like 13,550 or 57, whatever, around 500, 13,500 could be the next level to look after. Okay, so that's what I feel after looking, like why I'm saying the particular yeah, so this particular red line was the resistance, and I feel that here it will act as a support. Okay, and also I'm getting 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level over there. So because of these two things kind of supporting to my hypothesis that it will the market will bounce back from 13,560. Okay, around that level. It could be 13,550 or 13,560, somewhere around that. Okay, that's my hypothesis. Second thing which we need to look after is the 50% retracement. Why we need to look after the 50%? That like this is our index economy like chart. Okay, it's Nifty 50. So the particular blue line, if you see, it's giving continuous support from couple of 10 years, and it's breached only during the COVID, but I don't think it will happen again. Okay, so I feel that here, somewhere here, when the market falls, that time it will give support, and from that market will bounce back. So there is one more level. It's very bad to say, but it could be like 11,470. Why bad to say? Like just imagine, guys, we were hoping around 16,000, like index will be around 16,000. That's the dream we were all investors looking. And here we have to say that market will fall and it will jump from 11,450, like 5,000 point. So that's why I feel bad. But yeah, anything can happen. Like this is a stock market, guys. If it fall, then it will definitely jump out, and if it is jump out after a certain level, it will definitely fall. That's also one more thing. So yeah, jokes apart, this could be the second level. Let me write here. This is the first level which I'm looking. This is the second level which I'm looking, and the last one, third one. Like if you see here, the third which I draw is basically the 61.8. I believe the Fibonacci 61.8 retracement is one of the solid retracement among the rest of the 3/4 retracement. This is one. This is one. This is one thing. Second thing is that if you see, the market was falling, it's getting support, falling, it's getting support, falling, it's support. So it created many W structure over there. Okay, so on that hypothesis, what I feel is that market may find support around 10,540. Okay, so these are the I will say level. So one level, let's get reiterate one more time. What I feel is, guys, market will the key takeaway kind of we can say to that. So the first key takeaway is that considering the particular candlestick pattern, what I feel, market will fall. Okay, so if market fall, then when up to where it's fall. Okay, so to address that question, I identify three levels. So let me highlight. The first level is around 13,560. This could be the one level where we see that market may get sustained. If it is breached from there, I will think this could be the 50% retracement level, like 11,470 could be the next level we should look after. Okay, and the 61.8 retracement, this 10,538, 540 or 538 could be the third level which we need to look after. Okay, yeah, so that's up, guys. We are looking for your encouragement. Please support us, and definitely please share with us if there is any stock or something which you like to get analysis. Okay, one of our fan, or I can say that supporter is suggested to do the technical analysis of the Nifty 50. I basically do the technical analysis of the chart. Okay, I do option trading, but I don't go in the index option trading because it's much volatile. Might be people can understood who trade in these days actually. Like in 5 minutes, the market is jumping, like Bank Nifty market is jumping 200 points up, 200 points down in just 10-15 minutes. So it's much volatile. But anyway, one of our the good wisher suggested to do the technical analysis of the Nifty 50. So here we are doing. These are the kind of levels. Look after it. Look after the particular breakout. And thanks for supporting. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thank you very much. Bye bye.